Now, look at here. I want you to look at this. Look at this. Let me get a better picture. Yeah, let me get this where a new clear picture. Okay, let's change this to candlestick chart hour frame. Okay, now remember I was talking about the trading levels. I said it was right here, and I said it was right here. That it was going up. I said around this area, it shot back up, hit the top, went down here, right about here. I said I didn't want to stay in because I knew it was going to come down because this is a gap, right? Remember the gap strategy? That eventually the gap is going to close. I just don't know when. So it went up, and I said yesterday, I said it's going to come here, and then it's going to hit the top again. And then it's going to come back down and break through. What did it do? Look at my last video and tell me what it did. I'm in 2 trades, August, Australia and US right now. But look at what it did. So I got out. I'm out the trade. Because why? Because it hit the support. So now it's going to track back up. So you can put an order. It'll probably hit here again. You can put an order in at around 0.7295. You can put a pending order. Pending order. Seven, 3, 9, 5, 0, 7295. Okay, now I got a pending order. It'll probably come down, back down, and then retract up. So I got a pending order right here. But look at what happened. All this right here, I got in about here, this area, and I got out here because I saw it wasn't going to break through and I didn't have the patience. And it shot up, and I said, I'm going to wait till it gets back into this area, and that's what it did. I had a pending order here, and then it rolled all the way down. Because I told you the gap has got to close. Unless there's some, weird stuff happening, like a country going, at war or something flipped. They took a lot of money out of the bank. But 9 times out of 10, the gap is going to close. Now, this happened on Sunday, the gap. And look at, now it's Tuesday. And you see it came up under here, the trading zone right here. Actually, this is when I got out. I'm not going to lie. I got out right here. And then, because, I said, I don't know how long it's going to take. I saw a retract. I jumped out. But look at what happened. I should have stayed in. But these sometimes the mistakes that we make as traders, but I still made money. But I didn't follow, sometimes I don't follow my philosophy. I said the gap was going to close. And this is what it did. My impatience lost me a couple of $100. My impatience lost me a couple of $100. That was my impatience right there. But it did what I said it was going to do. So this is a person that, while I'm always getting better, I read it here. I knew it was going to hit this support right here. and bounce off and go back up. And I knew it was going to come down and break it because, you know, sometimes it needs that momentum. I knew it was going to be some serious sell here, sell, and look, it retracted up, took people out of position, and then it, you know, they probably put stop losses right around here, you know, and took people out and then dropped. And my stupid butt was nowhere around to catch all that delicious money because I got out around here. So if I got out at around 0.734, which is good if I got in at 0.7391, so 3, 4, you know, 60 something pips. But look at there, we're talking about 7293. That's like almost 100 pips, 99, 98 pips that I could have made just by being patient. But I'm not perfect, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not perfect. But that's the gap strategy. And I got a video before this that explains it all. Okay? So I just wanted to share that with you. Thank you very much.